Imagine spending an hour for writing an essay, and you feel kind of proud of your work. But when you get it back, teacher says your grammar mistakes made it hard to understand. That's where Grammarly helps.
Okay, everyone, today I'm going to talk about Grammarly, a popular digital tool that helps people, improve their writing. Grammarly is an AI powered writing assistant designed to check grammar, spelling, as you can see on the right here, punctuation, and overall clarity of your text. It works in real time as you, change it, meaning that as you type, it immediately highlights mistakes and suggests corrections. This makes it especially useful for us students, professionals in their fields, and anyone who writes regularly in English. So, yeah, this is mostly an English app. Okay, one of the main features of Grammarly is its grammar and spelling checker. It can catch basic errors like missing commas or incorrect verb forms, but it also goes further by identifying more complex issues such as sentence structure problems, like here, or awkward phrasing. This helps users not only fix mistakes but also learn from them. Another important feature is style and tone suggestions. Grammarly can analyze your writing and suggest ways to make it clearer, more formal, general, email, like here, casual, or creative. Intent, inform, describe, convince, tell a story. Audience, genuine, knowledgeable, expert. Formality, informal, neutral, or formal. But, default are usually the best ones. What else? Grammarly also includes a plagiarism checker in its premium version, but unfortunately I don't really have it. This tool compares your text with billions of sources online to make sure your work is original. This is especially important for students and researchers who need to avoid accidental plagiarism. In terms of usage, it's very easy to use. It's available as a browser extension, mobile keyboard like here, and a desktop application. It can be used on platforms like email, Google Docs, and social media. But I have to warn you guys, it's not the best one since, apps like this tend to make mistakes. So it's up to you and your risk to use it. Oh, you can also, format text, but you see, it's junky. In conclusion, Grammarly is a powerful and helpful tool that improves writing accuracy, clarity, and confidence. While it should not replace human thinking, it's a great support tool for anyone who wants to communicate more effectively in English.
Now imagine you remembered about your assignment or a great idea for your project, but until you find a note to write it, you already forgot it. That's when Google Keep helps. It lets you quickly save notes, ideas, and reminders in just a few seconds. You can also create checklists for your tasks, set reminders for deadlines, and organize everything in one place. For students, this is really helpful because it keeps all your ideas, homework, and study plans organized, so you don't forget important things.
Additionally, we have another app called Notion. Notion is an all-in-one place productivity and organizing app. It allows people, such as students, to keep all they need in one place.
It's an app where you can organize your entire study life in one place. You can create notes, write summaries, and keep all your materials for each subject. You can also make to-do lists and track deadlines so you don't forget anything. For example, you can create a separate page for each subject and store your lectures, assignments, and plans there. Notion doesn't just help you take notes, it helps you build a clear system for studying.
There is another app called Google Calendar, which assists with time management and schedules. It helps people organize their daily schedule and events. Hello, again. Today I'm going to talk about Google Calendar, a widely used tool for organizing schedules and managing time effectively. Google Calendar is a digital calendar developed by Google that allows users to plan their daily activities, set reminders, and keep track of important events. It's available on both mobile devices and computers, like here, making it easy to access your schedule anytime and anywhere. One of the key features of Google Calendar is event scheduling. Users can create events such as classes, meetings, or personal tasks, basically, by simply selecting a time and date. You can also add details like location, notes, description, even attachments. This helps keep everything organized in one place. Another useful feature is reminders, by the way, and notifications, because it's, very important. Google can send alerts before an event starts so you don't forget important tasks. These notifications can also appear on your phone, email, or any other place you want via settings. Google Calendar also allows for easy sharing and collaboration. You could see the button there. You can invite other people, guests, to events, which is especially helpful for group projects or meetings. Everyone invited can see updates in real time, making coordination much easier. In addition, the app can be integrated with other Google services like Gmail. For example, if you receive an email about a flight or, say, an appointment, Google Calendar can automatically add it to your schedule. This saves time and reduces the chance of missing important events. The interface is simple and, as you can see, user-friendly. Buttons are pretty big and colorful. You can view your schedule by day, week, and color code, green like here, different types of events to stay organized. This visual layout makes it much easier to understand your time at a glance. Also, you can change your background color. However, just like any app, Google has limitations. It requires internet connection for full functionality, and sometimes automatic event detection may not be completely accurate.
I would like to talk about Quizlet. Quizlet is a learning app that helps students to study through digital flashcards and interactive quizzes. It's especially helpful for university students who need to memorize a lot of information.
As I mentioned earlier, it's a very useful app for studying and memorizing information like vocabulary, definitions, and key concepts. In Quizlet, you can either search for existing study sets made by other users or create your own. The main feature is flashcards. You can review terms and definitions by flipping the cards, which helps with active recall. Quizlet also has a learn mode that turns your study set into a personalized quiz. It adapts based on what you already know. There is also a test mode where Quizlet generates different types of questions like multiple choice and written answers. To make studying more fun, Quizlet includes games like Match, where you quickly pair terms with definitions. It also includes audio, which is especially helpful for learning languages. Quizlet tracks your progress so you can see what you've learned and what still needs practice. Overall, with Quizlet, studying doesn't have to be boring. It becomes faster, smarter, and even enjoyable.
Another useful app is Forest. Forest is a productivity app that helps people to stay focused and avoid distractions, especially from their phones.
In Forest app, the idea is simple. When you want to focus, you plant a virtual tree. If you leave the app, the tree dies. You can choose how long you want to focus, usually between 10 minutes and 2 hours. While you stay in the app, your tree grows. This makes studying more motivating because you can see your progress. But if you leave the app to check social media or message, your tree will die. Over time, you build your own forest, which shows how much you have focused. You also learn coins for focusing, which you can use to unlock new tree types. The app can even help plant real trees in the real world, which makes it more meaningful. Forest turns focus into a simple game, helping you stay productive and build better study habits.